The top navigation bar allows users to quickly jump between modules. The bar also serves as a status indicator for the user and an interface for adjusting the user profile, settings, and screen preference. Global search, exiting, or logging out of the system is also accomplished through the top navigation component. To navigate the modules, simply click on the corresponding button. Note, to navigate back to the welcome screen, simply click on the LENSEC logo. To the right of the Modules button, the user's name will be displayed. The username is defined by the system administrator when setting up the account. The Settings button, or gear, contains user settings for the instance. These settings include the user profile and the ability to install Perspective as an instance directly on the user's machine. This install is convenient when circumstances prevent the use of a browser or the site's standard operating procedures dictate a more enclosed interface. Further look at the user interface, user profile, allows the user to change his or her password, as well as set their language, dictate their startup page, and their default camera layout. It also gives the user the ability to select Always Visible or Visible on Mouse Over for the informational header of the camera view. To the right of the settings is the Global Search feature. One of the more intuitive new features in Perspective, Global Search enables a user to find any item, device, or tag within the system quickly and easily. To close the search feature, simply toggle it back off. To hide the top navigation bar, click the double arrows and bring it back by clicking the single arrow at the top. The menu bar concludes with the full screen, log out, and help buttons. Please note, at any time you can find your version number by clicking Help and About Perspective VMS.